Okay. Has anyone else, specifically dark skinned women, have you noticed that light skinned men tend to want to be with you more than dark skinned men? And I've noticed this. Like, men who have lighter skin compliment me more, approach me more, versus dark skinned men. And I've noticed dark skinned men appreciate lighter skinned women, approach light skinned women more. And to be honest, I don't know what that means, but I've just noticed it. As a young girl, I've noticed that all my life, that lighter skinned men always approach me. They were like, oh my gosh, I love your skin. It's so beautiful, blah, blah, blah. I hate my skin. I'm so light. I don't know how it is. And for lighter skinned women, do you notice that darker skinned men approach you more? No shade, whatever. I'm just talking to women. Me as a darker skinned woman, I notice lighter skinned men approach me more. They talk to me more. They're more respectable. You know? And I personally like darker skinned men, but they don't tend to like me. You know? But lighter skinned men like me. And I've noticed that. There's been darker skinned men who like me, for sure. And I'm like, cool, you know, but I've noticed a lot, like walking down the street, a lot of light skinned men will talk to me and be respectful and say, hello, miss, how are you doing? The darkest men like, what up, bitch? What up, fatty booty? What up? Blah, blah, blah. They talk to me a different way. Hello, big booty girl. The lighter skinned men be like, hello, miss. How are you? Is it just, ladies, it's just me that notices shit? I'm just saying. What do I do with that? What?